Good morning. Say good morning, Daisy. Say good morning. Morning. We're going sailing today. We're at Choi Hong. We're gonna go to Saigon right after.
That's so interesting.
How's your breakfast? That's good? Alright, so let you know how it goes. We're here at the yacht club. So nice. Oh, so nice.
There is no washroom on board, so if you want to go to toilet first or...
Okay. So there's no washroom, so we gotta go to the washroom now. I'm just gonna pee wherever on the boat. I don't care. Oh, washroom right there?
Are you videotaping?
Yes, I am. It's not illegal. You guys all signed the waiver form. We're going to the washroom. We're gonna go pee now. We're on a boat. Going to our other boat. Not our boat yet. Going on our boat. The boat now. We actually made it. We have no idea what we're doing. We're just sitting around now. So, thankfully there's some people that actually know what's going on. That's our captain. I don't know if you can see him. It's a little bit windy. It's actually really cold. It's December, it's winter. But we're gonna go sailing regardless. Yes. Hi! We're trying to sail now. I still don't know what's going on. We're sailing. Mike's the captain. Woo. This is firing.
1, 2, 3.
We got both sails up now. Going pretty fast. Yay! Say hi. Okay. We tried to sail. We failed. That's why we have the engine on right now. We have the engine on. That humming sound, that's the engine.
I don't want to sail.
It was actually, whoa! It's actually pretty hard. We were trying to dock for lunch. We couldn't dock. We had to park beside another boat, and then we got yelled at. But we're heading back home now. So hopefully this time we can sail properly. You know how that goes.